What is that, anak? For what is that?
Mama.
Oh.
This spray on the
I like that too. Hi guys, I show you how to like that. For what that? For okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys, I show you what this for spraying on the hand, then make like that, then spread on the hair, then when finish that, this one. Open.
Hardwood haba plastic.
Mama, not plastic. Then then this one.
Yeah, get one.
Then this one. And this one, guys, cut a little bit here, the cover.
Yeah.
Then make like that. Squish here on the hand. Then spread all over on the hair.
Ah, okay. Now I know, anak.